Howdy y'all, it's Tyler. Okay, so it's still very much winter outside. I mean, it's pouring down rain here in LA, and from what I've seen and heard, y'all are freezing your hind end off down in Texas. So I decided to keep it inside today and talk to you about one of my top interior plant picks. This is cat palm. C-A-T, cat palm. Alright, so I love the cat palm because they're pretty easy to grow. They like the bright yet indirect sunlight. Also, they're a tropical plant, so they like their humidity. The soil, they like to keep it a little soggy, but they do like well-drained soil. Also, non-toxic to your fur babies, so you're good if you got cats and dogs. Most palms are non-toxic, as well as most palms are really good at air purifying. So that's a plus. An important note on palms, they like to be root bound. This goes for most palms. So what that means is you don't want to repot your palm until the roots are actually growing outside the bottom of the pot. Then it's time to repot it into something bigger. Until then, they're comfortable being root bound. Don't worry, they're not struggling if the roots are coming out of the bottom. Maintenance wise, you can trim off any yellow or brown fronds that are coming up. And then also any of the leaves, if you have any brown or yellow tips, you can clip them off. I usually kind of do it at an angle so it looks a little bit more natural, because the tips of the leaves will not really look the same once you do trim them, although it does look better without the yellow or brown tips. Obviously, we do love our green. Alrighty guys, so if you're looking for the next interior addition to your plant collection, and wintertime is obviously one of the best times to do it, I definitely suggest the cat palm. Good for your air, good for your environment. It's alright for your cats and dogs, and it's amazing for you. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.